Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens, and we have one promotion that I think is ending this week, so I would definitely do it if you've been like, oh, wait a little bit. This is the week to make it happen. So I recommend that you put this in as a curbside order, meaning you order it through the app, hit the box on the left-hand side with the green check, put your order in, pay for it, drive to the store and pick it up. As paper products are a little bit bulkier, try and get your order within 6 hours so it's not just like taking up half of the photo area over at Walgreens, just to be nicer to the employees. Okay, deal number one. This is everybody's favorite. It is the Walgreens brand paper products, either the paper towel or toilet paper. That's going with this coupon. If you've already used it, what I recommend is to go in the household folder and reload it, and you can use it more than once. And as you could see, the coupons at the top, and the two are the paper and the toilet paper that are $5. Those two specific ones are attaching with this coupon. So really pay attention, like what's attaching, what isn't attaching. So for this one, throwing 4 toilet papers into a basket. Alternatively, if you want to go for a mix of paper towel or all paper towel, you go for it. I'm just going with toilet paper just to be boring today. And then just to show you that coupon, the $1.50 times 4, so that's $6 coming off automatically. And then that code WAG20 is still working. That's $2.80 melting off right there. The overall total is $20, $8.80 melting off, a little bit of tax. So it's $11.87. Now, if you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.87 and call this a really smart deal, because $1.87 for this is just really great, and it's a great use of $10 in Walgreens cash. Now let's look at deal number 2. This one a little bit more fancy. I know a lot of you are huge fans of Cottonelle, so we're going to throw this guy, which is the 9 counter, and that is a lot of toilet paper. And we have $1 digital attaching, so it's $10 subtracting this friend, which is $1. Now to get the math to balance, I thought it would be smart to throw in one of the Old Faithfuls, so one $5 Walgreens toilet paper with that $1.50 digital, so make sure you have that loaded as well. Just to show you the Cottonelle, the Walgreens coupon, WAG20 is working on this order along with WAG10. So they're both double stacking for extra savings of $1.60. We'll take that all day, every day. Why not? Okay, and just to show you guys, the overall total here is $15, $3.10 with promotions melting off, free curbside pickup and tax, that $1 Cottonelle coupon melting off. So the total here is $11.61. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.61. Why not? The final deal that we have is deal number 3. Now this is the Cottonelle Mega Bathroom Tissues, and it is a 12 roll. 12 equals 72. So that is a lot of toilet paper. It's usually just under $17. It's $12.99 this week. And we have $1 digital coupon. The other one that we typically get is a wider pack. This is a smaller one, but the rolls are a lot wider and there's a lot more paper in them. We're going to load our best friend, which is this $1 digital. And I mean, if you just love Angel Soft, this is the deal for you. And then just to show you that $1 digital is melting off. And then you're also going to throw in the coupon code WAG10 for an extra $1.20 off. So that's why it's so much better to do these deals curbside than in store for savings like that extra $1.20. We love it. And then just to show you guys, $12.99, WAG10, free curbside pickup, tax, that $1 manufacturer. So the total here is $11.50. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it and pay $1.50. And also check Fetch Rewards if you might have a rebate for Angel Soft, possibly, maybe. That could be something great. And if you missed yesterday's video, I have more curbside deals that are not all about toilet paper if you want to check it out right here. And I would stock up just to be smart right now if you have the extra Walgreens cash and you want to participate in these deals. I think it's just a smart thing to do to have a little bit of extra paper in your stockpile. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.